Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie Eves, and I'm also a Scentsy independent consultant. And I'm so excited because my newest order from Scentsy, and it's full of the fall and winter scents, are here. And it's the perfect timing because I am just about to change my wax out of my bedroom warmer. And then look at, I went a little crazy. I know I did, but I mean, this stuff is going to last me the whole season, if not like into next year. So let me open it. So it comes with little ice packs that protect the wax. I went a little crazy. The order form is not just one, it's two. Anyways, let me show you what I got. This is Cedar Cider. Okay, so let's put that over there. The next one is Weathered Leather. I got this one specifically to make samples out of because it's not something that I like, but I know that some people might like it, so it's something that I want to be able to share with someone. Yeah, that's not mine. That's not for me. Very Merry Cranberry. Oh, that's really good. That's just like a classic Christmas scent. The Clean Breeze. Oh, smells like fresh laundry. Love it. Cider Mill. I love that. Oh my gosh. That one's in the fruity family, I believe. Let's see what else we got. Snowberry. So good. Oh my gosh. Everybody's favorite, Luna. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Christmas Cottage. I can't wait to warm this. This is going, I know that this is going to like fill the room with fragrance. Yeah, that's going to be a good one. Iced Pine. That smells good. Silver Bells. I kind of want to make this one a mixer, so I think I'm going to mix this with different stuff because I like it on its own, but I think it would add like complexity to different waxes. So I'm thinking of that one. Winterberry Apple Tea. This one, I can smell the honey in myself. Like I can really smell it. I don't know if it's true for everybody, but it's got honey scent in it and it really comes through for me. This is probably my favorite of the whole fall and winter collection. It's Graham Cracker Crunch. Now that's kind of like light colors. It's hard to see. Oh my gosh. It's got peanut butter scent in it and like cinnamon and creamy vanilla, I think, or something like that. I know for sure peanut butter scent is in here and it smells delicious. Delicious. I should have bought more of those, but I didn't. Cinnamon buttercream is another one. That one's very light in scent. Eucalyptus wreath. I think it's going to be another one of my favorites. I love eucalyptus. Yeah, because it's just so like refreshing. It smells good. Cashmere Corduroy has been one of the most popular sellers so far, and it's only the middle of August. So if that says something, yeah, that smells good. So these scents came out August 1st, and now it's the 14th. So Very Snowy Spruce. Oh yeah, that smells like a Christmas tree. It's amazing. Farm Stand Pumpkin. Oh yeah, that's good. Hug in a Mug is like, I think chocolate and something else. To me, it smells like Nutella a little bit, but it's good. Red berry and spruce. Red berry and spruce. I chose well. I love these. We're still going. Yes. Hee. Polar Bear Hug. That's nice. Okie dokie. Homestead Holiday. I like this pattern so much. That's so freaking cute. That's nice. Of course, describing fragrances, but it smells amazing. Well, I'll show you the progress we've made. That's how much we have left. Scarlet Sunflower. And even in this order, I still did not get one of everything, but I came close to it. Scarlet Sunflower is just so nice, and it smells very warm, like you're in the sun, if that makes sense. I don't know. Clothesline, it's very popular. If you're doing a cleaning day in your house and you want your whole area to smell like just super clean laundry, Clothesline would be a good one to warm. Yeah, because it smells like just fresh laundry. I love it. Okay, Spiced Ember Glow. Oh yeah. Okay, I call me crazy, but I think I'm gonna try this silver bells and Spiced Ember Glow together. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I think that they would complement each other. I don't know. I will report back. Bright Cider Life. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the one that's in the fruit family. This has the apples on it. It's good. Okay, My Hero. Yes, yes. That's nice. I think a lot of men would like that. Blue Sage and Tonka. That's nice. It's a little strong, but it's nice. First Day of Fall. I love this one. I've smelled the tester. That's so good. Okay, sorry, my hair's all in my way. Best in Snow. I love a pun instead of Best in Show. That one is nice. I think I'm gonna make a sample set of that one. Pumpkin chai. I love chai. I drink it year round, and I also love pumpkin spice lattes. So yeah, that's right up my alley for sure. And then we've got pumpkin cinnamon swirl. Love it. Love it so much. Okay. Around the Campfire is like almost exactly what it sounds like, or the name. It smells like you're around the campfire. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I think, let me think. Where did it go? Cinnamon buttercream and around the campfire could be like toasted marshmallow, maybe. I don't know. I might mix those and see how they smell together. Salted caramel toffee. I got this for my mom because she loves it, so I know that this is going in the living room immediately. Oh, that's so good. That's salted caramel toffee. Artichoke, dancing sugar plums. That's really nice. I think this would be great in like a kid's bedroom. I don't know. It just seems like the name is very young at heart, Christmassy, and it's very like fruity of a scent. So I think kids would like it a lot. Arctic Kiss. I smelled it before I showed it. Arctic Kiss. That's nice. Try not to make this take too long. Tinselberry. Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's good. Autumn Hearth is maybe, I was saying that this was my #1 favorite, but I think I've changed my mind since then. I think Graham Cracker Crunch is my favorite, but the Autumn Hearth is probably #2 favorite. Oh, that smells amazing. It smells so fall-like, and like if you could bottle, or if you could like take the vibe that autumn gives off and put it in a scent, that would be it to me. Perfect Peppermint. That's just like hits your nose like peppermint. So good. Oh my gosh. Pomegranate Prosecco. That's a tongue twister. Oh my god. But it's so good. Love it. Be Merry. That one's good. That one is good. It's not too strong, not too weak. I like it. Cloudberry Dreams. It's really popular. Yeah, I see why. That one's a good one. And this is the last one. We are empty now. Empty. Harvest Blessings. Harvest Blessings. Smells good. Okie dokie. I don't even know how many that is. 42. But I'm excited to get things warming, and I think it's going to be really cool to mix and match different fragrances this season and really get into the holiday spirit. So thanks for watching. Bye.